Petworld Global and sportandtalks.com are very happy to meet again here in Fairmont, Monte-Carlo. Tommi Mäkinen. Tommi Mäkinen himself is a legend of WRC, four-time champion and first team principal in the world, and the first person in the world who's as a world champion and also the team principal has win both the team champion title and your driver Dan.
I won last year.
Yeah. For Petworld Global Sport and Talks readers also interesting. Do you have a dog?
Dog, yes. Basically, we have quite a few. My son have a smaller. Then we have a one. It's kind of about the same size as your dog, but it's black and it's based origin from Lapland. From Lapland, and it's just looking after the reindeers, catching the reindeers and look after. I don't know how to call, but then I have also hunting dog for elk hunting, and because we have my grandfather has launched our hunting club in Finland, which is now around 80 years old hunting club, and we have a elk. I'm often during autumn I go to elk hunting.
Okay, and your lifestyle now, it's you are very busy man.
Yeah, that's true. Unfortunately, it's no time too much to do because we are traveling so much all over the world, but it's very relaxing when you can find time to stop for and looking, and very often when we have a time to go to home, we go to walk in the forest with the dogs, and it's very relaxing.
Can I say, and what do you think? Your dogs make you happy?
Yes,
happy?
Sure. It is good when you have they nice and you have a lots of action, different kind of activities. Yes, sure. Very important part.
When we come now back to the championship, for me it looks like you made something amazing again, because it was for me it was a very amazing thing when and how you made Ott Tänak and Järveoja to the world champions. It's definitely was your work. They never would come to the champions as so fast way without your help and without Toyota. And for me, as the very far actually from the rally sport, I look at the end of the last season. It looks like you wasn't in that easy situation, because the Tänak left the Toyota, and now you complete I think the amazing team again. It's Ogier. Everybody knows what he already done before, and Evans, it looks like he's already also ready to the win, and Rovanperä. What you expect or waiting from the young colors?
It's really on the way to the top. Very little experience, of course. First rally here with World Rally Car, but he was pretty much learning. He's very hungry to learn and listening to the other drivers. And I would say at the moment we have a good team, good drivers. They are communicating together and communicating very well with the team, whole team. Everybody is really motivated, and if they are able to discuss and communicate together, I think it's very helpful for Kalle as well to learn and to understand what it is. And I would say, like Seb is, Osier is kind of father for Kalle, and he's supporting quite well in his career. Let's see. We just keep continuing and keep going. We try to, as our team point of view, we try to give our maximum support for everybody and keep them motivated and good motivation in the team. So after this result, of course, there was some small disappointment. We wanted to win the rally here, but Monte-Carlo is still waiting us, and we need to be okay next year. And we're not that worried that we cannot win 1 year. I'm sure we can win 1 year, but long season and from here, example for Kalle, I would say that Rally Sweden is far easier. This is the rally where you need massive experience to be able to winning, but his experience based very much to Finnish condition, snowy condition. He's always being very fast, and I'm pretty sure that the future for him it's easier.
Do you think which year will be Kalle ready to win the champion title?
Yeah, it's sure you need more experience. I would say that it's going step by step when it is, but I would say at least 2 years. He needs to learn 2 years. All he can be fast here and there, but to be constant all over that you able which you need to win the title. I think minimum 2 years experience need to be. But he's still young.
As the team principal about the rally, you can say you are happy.
Yes, sure, of course, very happy for. We had 4 cars and all of them second, third, fifth, and sixth or seventh. Katsuta. It was very good result and no dramas at all with any of them. They had no mistakes, and it was very good. Of course, with a little bit something more, we could win the rally, and we were yesterday very confident that we can win it. But it seems to be it's very challenging. We are competing on highest level, and whatever it is so often question of small items if they not absolutely. And today was good day for Terry Nowell. He was, and we knew that he's going to be fast on this condition today. How this challenging fast and a little bit tricky, slippy roads. He was not really. I would say that he's, because he has been in the same team 7 years already, and he knows the car and everything. He has made it together with the car, and our drivers knew first rally, first time, and it takes always bit more time. I would say about half a year easily. You need to continue. You need to drive until you understand the car very well enough. Because also limited test days today. We cannot drive here all over because the number of test days is, and that makes it a little bit always challenging when you change the team.
So we see that by accident. Which happens with Ottana, it's when you drive
it was very similar. I remember when we started 2018, he was bit learning, and he was 2018 Neste Rally Finland. He was to winning. And from there he realized how to go, and he was constantly very, very fast. But it was taken about 6 months. But that's the rally. But we keep going, we keep continue, and I'm sure it's going to be good.
We thank you, Tommi, for your time, and we very admire the work with you was done before as driver, and the work which you made for building Toyota Gazoo team, and we wish you the luck. Also, we very, very hopeful about the Kalle Rompera. We very, very like this young man. Thank you, Tommi.
Thank you very much.